A fast way of opening up previous projects is to go to File, Open Recent, and then you'll have a list of your most recent projects that you have been working on in Blender. You can expand or contract the list of options available here by going to Edit, Preferences, go to Save and Load, and then where it says Recent Files, you can determine how many files you want to appear in that list at maximum. For example, if I set this to just 1 and then save my preferences, we can return to the Open Recent option, and only the most recent project that I have been working on will be visible in this list. Typically, 20 is the default number, and it's a good number to have. But you may want more if you're working on many projects at once. Whatever number you choose, make sure to select Save Preferences and then close the Preferences window.